Does leaving aloe vera on face overnight have any side effects?
Hello, skincare enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into a popular natural remedy, aloe vera, and specifically, we'll discuss potential side effects of leaving it on your face overnight. Aloe vera has been hailed as a miracle plant for its multitude of skin benefits, but like anything, it's essential to use it wisely. Understanding the potential side effects can help you make informed decisions about your skincare routine.
What is aloe vera?
Aloe vera is a plant species with a long history of medicinal use, dating back to ancient Egypt. It's known for its healing, soothing, and moisturizing properties. Many people apply aloe vera gel, which comes from the plant's inner leaf, directly to their skin to soothe burns, hydrate skin, and combat inflammation. But what happens when you leave it on your face overnight?
Potential side effects of overnight use.
While aloe vera is generally considered safe for most people, leaving it on your face overnight might cause some issues. Here's why. 1. Allergic reaction. Some people are allergic to aloe vera. Symptoms of an allergic reaction can include redness, rashes, or inflammation. If you're allergic, you'll likely notice these symptoms soon after application, but leaving the gel on your skin for extended periods might intensify them. 2. Dryness. Aloe vera can be drying for some skin types. Despite its moisturizing properties, leaving it on your skin overnight might cause dryness or peeling. This is especially true if you have naturally dry or sensitive skin. 3. Over-moisturization. On the other hand, for those with oily skin, the moisturizing effects of aloe vera might be too much, leading to clogged pores and potential breakouts.
How to use aloe vera safely.
Despite these potential side effects, many people successfully use aloe vera as part of their skincare routine. The key is to use it wisely. Here are some tips for safe use. 1. Patch test. Always do a patch test before applying aloe vera, or any new skincare product, to your entire face. Apply a small amount to a discrete area of skin and wait 24 hours to see if any adverse reactions occur. 2. Timing. Rather than leaving aloe vera on your face overnight, consider applying it for a shorter period. For example, you might apply it as a mask for 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off. 3. Listen to your skin. Pay attention to how your skin reacts. If you notice any discomfort, redness, or other signs of irritation, discontinue use. There you have it. While aloe vera can offer great benefits for your skin, it's crucial to use it wisely to avoid potential side effects. Always remember to do a patch test, pay attention to how your skin responds, and adapt your skincare routine as necessary to keep your skin healthy and glowing. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, happy skin caring.